Hey tech fans, ready to have your mind blown? We're diving into the coolest tools and gadgets, smart, powerful, and way ahead of their time. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss this, because the future isn't coming, it's already here and it's waiting in your shopping cart. A clean, humane way to eliminate gophers and moles. Tired of finding your lawn torn up by gophers or moles? Say goodbye to digging, poison, and complicated setups. Meet Gopher Hawk, a fast, humane, and simple way to reclaim your yard. This smart tool eliminates pests right at the source, without the need for a shovel. All you need is the included probe to find the entrance of a burrow. These are usually located 15 to 25 centimeters away from those distinct dirt mounds in your yard. Once the tunnel is located, insert the Gopher Hawk trap stake into the soil. It's equipped with a built-in trap mechanism that's activated immediately upon setup. A yellow indicator confirms the trap is armed and ready. What makes Gopher Hawk truly effective is its 360-degree design. It doesn't matter which direction the gopher or mole enters from. The trap activates instantly, offering no chance for escape. It's a humane solution too. No chemicals, no poisons, and no risk to kids, pets, or your soil. Just effective, clean pest control that gets the job done right. Once a pest is caught, simply remove the trap and reset it if needed. The system is reusable, making it perfect for ongoing yard maintenance. Trusted by both homeowners and pest control professionals, the Gopher Hawk has become a top choice for anyone dealing with underground pests. Best of all, it's affordable. At just $39, it's a small investment for a big improvement in your outdoor space. If you want a stress-free way to deal with gophers and moles without damaging your lawn, Gopher Hawk is the tool you've been waiting for. Ego Misting Fan. Stay cool anywhere, anytime. Looking for a smart way to beat the heat? The Ego Misting Fan might just be your new favorite outdoor companion. What sets it apart? First, it's not just a fan. It blows a fine water mist that can cool an area up to 50 square meters. Perfect for backyards, country houses, patios, or even bustling outdoor cafes. Second, it's built to last. On a single charge, this fan can run for up to 60 hours. That's nearly 3 days of continuous cooling without needing a recharge. So whether you're hosting a weekend barbecue or just relaxing under the sun, this fan has your back. Third, it's quiet. Operating at just 42 decibels, it's no louder than a standard refrigerator. That means you get powerful airflow without the noise, making it great for peaceful environments or conversations. The Ego Misting Fan is also wireless, and the brand claims it's the most powerful cordless model available, pushing airflow at up to 32 kilometers per hour. That's enough breeze to truly cool down a hot summer day. Plus, it's built for convenience. With wheels and a sturdy handle, you can roll it along easily to the garden, the beach, a party, or wherever comfort is needed. Whether you're after portable cooling power or just want to upgrade your summer setup, the Ego Misting Fan delivers. It's durable, quiet, mobile, and refreshingly efficient, making outdoor life a whole lot cooler. French fry cutter reinvented, the must-have tool for effortless slicing. A French fry cutter is a specialized kitchen tool designed to slice potatoes into uniform strips, perfect for making homemade fries. But this one takes things to the next level. Built with slip-resistant feet, it stays firmly in place on your countertop, giving you full control as you slice not only potatoes, but also cucumbers, onions, and other vegetables with ease. It comes equipped with 2 detachable stainless steel blades, one for thick half-inch fries and another for classic 3/8-inch cuts. These blades are corrosion-resistant, so they'll stay sharp and clean no matter how often you use them. The built-in handle makes the slicing process quick and easy. Just place your potato, push down, and you're done. Need extra force? The included pushing block helps apply more pressure, ensuring precise, consistent cuts every time. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, this cutter is built to last. It's shatterproof, scratch-resistant, and perfect for high-volume use in both home and commercial kitchens. Its sleek black finish also makes it a stylish fit with any kitchen equipment. Measuring 20.5 inches long by 10.25 inches wide and tall, it's compact enough to fit comfortably on most counters, and it's a breeze to assemble. Whether you're meal prepping or running a restaurant, this French fry cutter will save you time, effort, and frustration. Once you use it, you'll never go back to slicing by hand. Grao Prolifer, revolutionizing material handling with smart suction power. Meet the Grao Prolifer, an innovative electric suction tool designed to completely transform the way professionals and DIY enthusiasts lift heavy, flat materials. This handheld powerhouse brings together smart technology and industrial-grade strength, making lifting safer, faster, and far more efficient. At the heart of the Grao Prolifer is a powerful vacuum pump with a built-in digital display that shows real-time performance stats. This intelligent system provides instant feedback on pressure levels and holding force, giving users full control and peace of mind during use. With an impressive load capacity of 170 kilograms, it can securely grip glass, metal, ceramic tiles, wood, plastic, and more, making it a must-have across a range of industries. Weighing just a few pounds, the Grao Pro is battery-powered and built for endurance. A single full charge supports up to 900 lifting cycles or 90 minutes of continuous use, making it ideal for both job site and workshop environments. And when you're done, it recharges quickly to get you back in action without long downtimes. Whether you're installing windows, laying tile, moving furniture, or handling delicate sheet goods, this tool dramatically reduces strain on the back and shoulders, while also improving precision and safety. Praised by professionals around the globe, the Grao Prolifer is priced around $300, offering tremendous value considering the time, effort, and risk it saves. It's a practical investment for contractors, tilers, movers, and even home renovators looking to level up their toolkits. If you're serious about performance, safety, and smart solutions on the job, the Grao Prolifer is a game changer you'll wish you had sooner. Self-eco pots. Plant, grow, and let nature take over. Every year, millions of traditional petroleum-based plant pots end up in landfills, creating long-term waste that harms the environment. Self-eco pots offer a smarter, greener alternative. These biodegradable pots are made from sustainable materials like coffee chaff, worm castings, and other organic waste. That means once they've done their job, nature takes over. No landfill, no mess, and no need for disposal. After planting, the pots maintain their shape and structure for up to 6 months, giving your seedlings the perfect environment to grow. And because they naturally enrich the soil as they decompose, there's no need for additional fertilizer. Just regular watering is enough to support healthy root development. Self-eco pots aren't just good for your plants, they're good for the planet. They reduce waste, lower your carbon footprint, and eliminate the need for plastic containers that linger in the environment for decades. Their effectiveness has been backed by research from Iowa State University of Science and Technology, confirming that these eco-friendly pots don't just work, they thrive. Whether you're a gardening hobbyist, a professional grower, or simply looking to make your plant care routine more sustainable, self-eco pots are a great place to start. And the best part? You can try them out without breaking the bank. A starter pack of 2 pots costs just $15, making this a small, eco-conscious investment that can make a big impact. Go green from the roots up. With self-eco pots, you're planting the future, one pot at a time. Snowtech Shovel, the all-in-one ice fishing tool you didn't know you needed. Winter fishing brings unique challenges, and one of them is managing snow and ice around your fishing hole. That's where the Snowtech Shovel steps in, a multi-purpose tool designed specifically for ice anglers who need more than just a shovel. Snowtech is no ordinary snow clearer. Depending on the model, it transforms into a scraper or a chisel, giving you flexibility for different tasks on the ice. Whether you're removing fresh snow, breaking up ice layers, or smoothing surfaces, this tool adapts to your needs. What makes it even more practical is the attention to detail in its design. On the back of the scraper, Snowtech features built-in cup holders, not for your coffee, but for your small essentials like hooks, sinkers, and lures. It's a simple yet brilliant feature that keeps your gear organized and easily accessible while you work. The creators of Snowtech jokingly claim it's the greatest invention since the dot matrix printer and air conditioning. And while that may sound like a stretch, it's clear this shovel is packed with thoughtful innovation. Compact, durable, and lightweight, it's easy to carry on your trips and rugged enough to handle tough ice conditions. It's ideal for both seasoned anglers and beginners who want to stay efficient and focused while out on the ice. The best part? It's incredibly affordable. Priced at just $41, Snowtech offers a ton of value without breaking the bank. Whether you're clearing snow, scraping ice, or organizing tackle, this one tool does it all. Work smarter on the ice with the Snowtech, the shovel that thinks like a fisherman. Steal GTA 26 Pruner, a compact powerhouse that redefines how you care for your garden. This battery-powered pruner is designed for quick, efficient, and precise cutting, making it ideal for trimming small branches, pruning shrubs, or handling light cutting tasks around the home or garden. Whether you're shaping a fruit tree, clearing storm debris, or managing seasonal growth, the G26 gets the job done with ease and control. At the heart of this tool is a 4-inch, 10-centimeter guide bar and chain, giving it a cutting capacity of up to 4 inches in diameter. That's more than enough for most backyard jobs. And unlike traditional gas-powered tools, the GTA26 runs on a 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery, offering cordless freedom, no fumes, and ultra-quiet operation. Just charge, click it in, and go. Weighing just 3.1 pounds, 1.4 kilograms without the battery, the GTA26 is designed to be incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. It fits comfortably in one hand and is specifically shaped for one-handed use, allowing you to reach into tight spaces, trim from tricky angles, and maintain excellent balance and control throughout your work. The tool is not only convenient, it's clean and efficient. No gas, no tangled cords, no complicated startup. Just press the button and you're ready to cut. Perfect for casual gardeners, homeowners, and even professionals who want a compact solution for lighter work. With Stihl's trusted build quality, the GTA26 delivers both performance and durability, wrapped in a sleek, user-friendly package. So if you're looking for a tool that's small enough to store easily, but powerful enough to handle your everyday garden needs, the Stihl GTA26 is a must-have. Lightweight, reliable, and impressively effective. Right at your fingertips. Mandoline Magic, the ultimate slicing tool for precision and speed. A mandoline is a highly efficient kitchen tool designed for slicing fruits and vegetables with speed, accuracy, and consistency. It features 2 parallel surfaces, one fixed with a sharp blade and one adjustable in height. As you slide the food along the adjustable surface, it effortlessly passes over the blade, producing clean, even slices that fall neatly below. What sets the mandoline apart from other slicers is its ability to create more than just flat cuts. Many models come with interchangeable blades that let you julienne in various widths, make crinkle or waffle cuts, and even dice firm vegetables with precision. From carrots and cucumbers to apples and potatoes, the mandoline handles it all with ease. The biggest advantage? Consistency. Every slice is uniform, which is essential for even cooking, especially when frying, baking, or preparing layered dishes. Perfectly even slices mean your food looks better and cooks evenly, reducing the risk of burning or undercooking. Another major benefit is speed. Compared to traditional knife slicing, the mandoline significantly reduces prep time. You can produce paper-thin slices or thick cuts in seconds, no advanced knife skills required. This tool is compact, easy to clean, and ideal for both home kitchens and professional settings. It's perfect for meal prepping, salad making, garnishes, or creating restaurant-quality presentations. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just looking to make meal prep more efficient, a mandoline is a game-changing addition to your kitchen. It brings the perfect combination of speed, precision, and simplicity, transforming tedious slicing into a smooth, satisfying task. Once you experience how effortlessly it delivers consistent results, you'll understand why the mandoline is a staple in so many kitchens around the world. Pocket Sink, your portable cleaning station for the great outdoors. For campers, hikers, and adventurers who value both hygiene and efficiency, the Pocket Sink is a game changer. Designed to be compact, lightweight, and ultra-portable, this innovative sink ensures you can wash up wherever your journey takes you without hauling bulky gear. Crafted from lightweight, waterproof materials, the Pocket Sink is capable of holding several liters of water. It's ideal for washing hands, cleaning dishes, or even doing light laundry while off the grid. Despite its generous capacity, it folds down to a small, pocket-sized pouch that easily fits into any backpack or travel bag, making it perfect for minimalist packing. Its leak-resistant seams ensure no water seeps out during use, and the integrated handles provide excellent grip and stability, even on uneven ground. This means you can confidently set it down just about anywhere, on rocks, dirt, or a campsite table, without worry. Beyond convenience, the Pocket Sink promotes eco-friendly water usage by allowing you to carry and contain your own wash water. It's a smart solution for those who want to reduce environmental impact and avoid contaminating natural water sources. Whether you're deep in the backcountry, road tripping, or camping with the family, the Pocket Sink is a simple but essential tool for managing daily hygiene on the move. Available for just $15 to $30, it offers excellent value for a versatile and reliable piece of outdoor gear. Stay clean, go light, and keep moving. The Pocket Sink makes roughing it feel refreshingly easy.